Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how to make use of this wash machine or aerosol machine in Italian language. So this machine helps if your baby is having running nose or stiffy nose or catarrh or cough. It helps to relieve them. Okay, so I bought this and I decided to carry you guys along. This is actually my first time making use of this machine, but I've watched some videos, I've gone through the manual to know how it works, so I decided to carry you guys along. So these are the things it comes with. You have this tube that you can use to connect the machine. You connect it to the machine and to the one I'm holding in my hand. Then this, you can make use of it in two different ways. Like this one I'm bringing out is the mask. Okay, this is the mask that you can use for the baby. You just have to put in the solution there and place it there, then on it. Okay, while the other one I'm holding in my hand is the one you have to connect directly into the baby's nose and close one of the nose. Okay, so today I'll first of all try this one. What I have to do is just, it has three this thing, that is the air filter, the switch, and where you plug the tube. Okay, so I just plug the tube. The next thing I will do is to connect it into the apparatus I'm holding in my hand. Okay, like I said, it's two ways. Either you use this one or you use the other one, but it's just the same procedure that you have to do. Okay, so what I'll do now is plug it. This is where the switch is. You bring it out and connect it to a socket. Okay, so what I did was just to connect it to a socket. I'm doing it alone. I'm using one hand, carrying baby, and using one hand to do it because I'm alone with my baby. You know, filming with baby sometimes is not really easy. Okay, I didn't want to keep her down because if she should start crying, it will be difficult for me to do this procedure for her. So pardon me if I'm doing some things just with one hand. So I just plug this thing now in the socket. So I've plugged this one. The next thing I'll do is to pour in the solution. I'm using this 5 ml solution. Okay, the doctor prescribed this for me, so check out what your doctor prescribed for you. Before you do this, you have to let your doctor know so that they can prescribe it for you. I'm using 5 ml solution of this. This solution is 100%. Then 97% of it is water, while 3% of it is drug. So what I did now is just to open it. Remember, I've removed the two instruments inside it. I'll pour in this water. After pouring this water into it, I'll put back the equipment inside it and cover it. And mind you, this thing has gauge. Like my baby is using, I'm using 5 ml for my baby. Your doctor can prescribe to you 10 ml. She can prescribe to you any ml because this thing is gauged. Look at me, I've covered it with the first one. Then I'll cover with the second one before I start using it. This is the same thing you will do if you are using the other one, that is the one that has mask. The same thing you will do, just open it, pour in the solution and close it back. Okay, so I was trying to calm my baby down before I start doing it. So I now have to get something because sometimes as you are doing it, they can be coming out some mucus from their nose depending on how the thing is depending on how the baby is feeling. So what I did now, I just on it, I put it inside my baby's nose, close one nose and insert this in her nose. Okay, you see my baby is not easy for my baby. Okay, this particular one I think is better off for children from at least 1 year upwards because my baby's nose is still small. I think that is why she's somehow finding it difficult to adapt to this particular one. Okay, so after watching this one, I'll still show you people when I use the second one, that is the mask one. So I just tried my best, did for this one, and it's okay. Remember, the baby is not inhaling water. What the baby will inhale is vapor. Okay, so as I'm doing it, the vapor is coming in and the baby is inhaling it. That inhalation is what will help to soften the airways. Okay, and clear whatever thing that is there. So I tried using this one. I've seen how this one works. It's okay. The next slide will be me using the mask one. And remember, I didn't do it the same day. I did it the next day because this one was already at 9. So this is the next day. I did the exact thing, poured this into the other equipment, plugged it, and this is baby inhaling it. So this one is more easier for baby. So if you have a little baby, I advise you to, I recommend you to use this particular one. Look at baby is calm and inhaling it. I think this one is better for children. Then for other one is from children from 1 year or 9 months, 8 months, depending on the size of the nose. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe and like, share as well.